I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly a breath.
Alright, so I made it here. I wasn't able to record because I got so much stuff. Here we go with the bullshit. I paid for a BMW, but I gotta leave with a Kia. Where they do that at? Where? And then they offer me free gas. The fuck? I could pay for my own gas. I'm heated. I am really, really upset. I'm calling corporate. I need to talk to somebody over everybody. Because this is not working for me. I feel like the guy in the front should have let me know and then adjusted my price. So you gonna charge me? I paid for a BMW, but I'm driving off in a Kia? Baby, no. I'm on this motherfucker for real. So here I am in this big gigantic ass infinity truck. Like everything else out here is like don't even come close to what I ordered. And I'm more mad because the BMW was a small, like compact vehicle. Like this vehicle so big and bulky, y'all. Like, oh my god, this is a 7-passenger vehicle. I feel like I'm driving Curtis truck, okay? But you know what, I'm not gonna let it mess up my little, you know, day. I'm just gonna try to woosah and continue on. Oh, where is the air? Jesus. Oh, there you go. I'm just gonna continue on, and right now I'm here by myself. And the reason that I am all by my lonesome is because one of my homegirls couldn't make it. She was coming from Arizona. Ooh, somebody in Arizona must be talking about me. She was the one coming from Houston with me, but she's not coming, and then my other homegirl don't get here till about 1 o'clock. So I'm about to take myself out to breakfast, sit down, woosah a little bit, get me some coffee in my system, because baby, I need it. And y'all can rest assured we about to have a lit weekend. Do you hear me? I'm talking about, first of all, can't be cute with hair in my mouth. It's about to go down. I am about to free myself. Ooh, child. It's just, y'all, I can't even explain how much I needed this trip. But anyway, let me get on out of here because I'm still in a parking lot. I know they probably like, what is she doing? Y'all, I ain't got my kids. What I need with all this? Jeez. Okay. Let me show y'all what this car do when you go in reverse, baby. Girl, what? Never mind the camera. What about this camera? Well, that's not a camera, but I mean, come on, look at the details, y'all. I'm literally backing up to fix my park. It's showing that I'm parked wrong. Baby girl. They fancy, huh? Still wanted my BMW, whatever. So I found this little place over on the beach. It's called Joe's Cafe. And so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting here just eating and waiting for Janessa. Her flight comes in about 2 hours or so. So when I leave here, I'm gonna explore. But for now, you guys, I'm about to start editing, finish editing, because I did start editing when I was on the flight, but I got sleepy, so I'm about to start editing. But you guys, look how beautiful it is. Palm trees. I love palm trees, and their palm trees are so healthy and beautiful. Look at all that greenery. No, Curtis, I'm not moving to Miami. Get it out your head, but it is beautiful. This is super funny to me. Give y'all a truck tour. Look at this big, I almost cursing. Trying to refrain from cursing, y'all. But look at this big old truck. This truck is so big. Y'all know good and all kinds of well that this truck is too big for me. Look, I'm gonna show you. Now I'm standing on the grass. If you don't believe me, see that? Now watch this. I feel so tiny. I feel super tiny. This is how they doing me. This is how they doing me, y'all. But what else? We gonna go ahead and enjoy this big old truck. I am worse than the kids. Baby, I done found a button. I saw a button right here. And it said something about a camera. So you know I'm out here pushing buttons. Child, why this thing? You push this camera button. Honey, it's giving me angles, sis. Like, what? Bruh, man from the 5th floor. Come on, y'all. Come on, we got angles. Where you going? What do you need to see? Somebody on the side of your car while you trying to get over? Check your blind spot. What? Yes, come on. Yeah, don't call me weird. I just thought that was a real cool feature. And baby, they helping me roll this big bad boy, okay? I feel a little bit better because I'm like, I don't want that big. You know what? I'm just really trying to make the best out of it because even still, it's a nice little vehicle and it's a way more expensive one than what I paid because it's so large and it's an Infinity. Did I say Xfinity earlier? Girl, I hope not. But anyway, it's an Infinity truck. So, and then it's much larger. The BMW was like a, you know, girly girl size SUV or whatever. He told me he had no more luxury cars. You just not about to put me in no Kia when I pay for a BMW. That is not about to happen. Like, but anyway, I just wanted to show y'all that feature. I'm trying to find my way out of here because I have to go pick up my homegirl from the airport. And so yeah, so I gotta go. All right, I'll be back.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you.
Hey, y'all, she here. Hey, y'all. That's my boo thing. Y'all know.
I miss my boo-boo kid.
I know. I miss her too. So
Yeah,
much.
Wally World, y'all.
Girl, this is, let me tell y'all, girl, listen. We be in Walmart so much that they be in the comments like, I be like, y'all know where I'm going? They be like, Walmart. How I'm in Florida still in Walmart? Please explain, y'all. I'm still in Walmart. They just get too much of my coin. But I need to get some snacks, some little whatnots, maybe some. We got a whole kitchen, basically. Something like that. So, we're gonna make it do what it do.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for. You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way, you make me wanna stay in all day, you're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Superman, they messed up our yacht experience.
Wow. These people's out here. We about to get out here in this water. What kind of bird is
I'm in Florida though, where you get all these colorful buildings and stuff. Oh, look at this building. I like. It's so pretty. It looks so Florida-ish. Only Florida. I promise. In Florida, that's where I look colorful. It's like colorful. I finally made it, so I'm about to check in. I'm gonna let y'all see the lobby of where I'm staying. I got a Trader Joe's right across the street, baby. Okay, this is gonna be our room tour of the room I don't like. I'm sure I'll tell y'all all about it. But this is the, what's this? Is this a kitchenette?
Yeah.
I guess. We got a refrigerator, microwave, a little, what is this?
Safe.
I think that's the safe, yeah. And the sink. And then when we get summertime fine, this is gonna be the mirror. We're gonna check ourselves to make sure we good. That's the mirror we're gonna use. And then this little table. Everything is ugly to me because I didn't get what I wanted. So, I mean, it ain't ugly, but it's ugly. So, okay, this is the room. It's actually a nice size room, but they don't have a bathtub. The TV is here, and this is bathroom. It's a pretty big shower for a couple, but you know, me, hey. And then this is where my issue with this room come in at. Right outside of here was supposed to be a balcony. Where the f is our balcony? Where? False advertisement. This is what we're supposed to be able to walk out on a balcony. Literally, it's like a porch. And yeah, we don't have that. So that's the end of this. And I'm a little irritated, so I gotta go because it's just been too much, y'all. Oh boy, y'all, I'm tired. My body is tired and hungry. So we on our way to go find us some food because we're hungry. We want some real food. And Nessa found this little spot. What was the name of it? Nessa?
Yard bar or something?
Yard barn? Or
Yard bar.
Yard bar?
Yard.
Southern something. Okay, she gonna get the name of it for y'all.
Yard bird.
Girl, we just say barn and bar. Jesus.
Yard bird Southern table and bar.
Okay, there you go. So yard bird. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all know I take y'all everywhere. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm gonna let y'all see the food. Let y'all check out the menu or whatever. So if you ever in Miami, per usual, wherever I go, I take y'all. Y'all can get some ideas on where to go. I'm not gonna plug this place I'm at right now, but I am gonna tell you where I'm at. I'm at the Marriott, okay? Which Marriott we at? I don't know. But I'm at the Marriott. When I leave, I'm gonna make sure I give y'all all the juicy tea about this place because it's not a positive. And y'all know I can't tell y'all where I'm at until I'm gone, right? Okay, we gotta understand. All right, see you at the restaurant. Bye. So we gonna get on the elevator and press R. I'm about to go and check out this rooftop pool. Let's see if it's gonna disappoint. It don't look all that appetizing, but I guess. I think the view gonna be beautiful, if anything, at night. Okay. They got a little infinity pool. Yeah. Is it 3 feet down there too? It's 5. Oh, so it go to 5. Oh. No, I'm definitely gonna be coming here. Yeah. Definitely gonna be to see them. I think the view gonna be nice too. From up here. But okay. Nobody.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
My finger, yeah.
There you go. That's okay. They won't see your face, so never mind the finger.
So you're missing the best part.
Look at that. Isn't that an experience? That is awesome. Do we get to keep the bottles?
You know what?
I'm kidding.
I don't even think there's a cycle around here. So you'll be doing other things.
Thank you.
So, I'll give you a quick little rundown on our menu. So we are famously known for the fried chicken here, specifically the watermelon chicken and waffles. Now, as far as starters for the table, I always recommend either the deviled eggs or the classic buttermilk biscuits, as well as the skillet cornbread is going to be a favorite here as well. Now, besides the chicken, other entrees include the St. Louis pork ribs as well as the shrimp and grits. Very popular as well.
Okay.
We're interested. I see we got the soda.
This is the bourbon maple. This is the honey hot sauce.
Honey hot sauce and bourbon maple syrup.
Bourbon maple. They don't take too much, you might get sick.
I'm about to try it though. Call me petty. I'm about to try it before the food comes. Are we going against the grain with the lighting? Oh no, but hey. Oh well. Look at that. See, we're going against the grain. It gets dark. Yeah, because we're going against the light. Oh man. Let me see if I can fix it. Girl, why the kids school calling me? Hey guys. Look, we got to try. Let us try. Okay. This is really like a. This is like a specialty. Yeah. This honey hot sauce. They got me at there. Honey hot sauce. Yeah. That's what it was. Like, here they gave me that dish towel. Not a dish towel. Oh my God. Come on, you gotta taste it too. Taste the honey hot sauce. Okay, that do taste like bourbon. Honey is something that I love. I would put that all over. Over the whole bar. Wait, you just said skip the what you call that? The syrup. That tastes like bourbon. You know, for real. Yeah. Yes. It's crispy out the syrup. Wait. That I don't like hot sauce. I do. I like the sweet hot. I do too, but I feel like the hot sauce is thin. Like I'm a person that like the hot wing sauce. So like if you got a brand of hot sauce and the wing sauce, I'm gonna get the hot wing sauce. You know what I'm saying? Like Texas Pete is my favorite, but I'm gonna get the Texas Pete hot wing sauce. And use it as a hot sauce. It's thicker. I don't know why, but this bourbon is actually good. I don't know if I
gonna need the rest
on my chicken.
I mean,
Still butchering now.
Sir,
You ain't never lied. That's interesting.
bourbon maple. And then you turn it.
They gotta have some other things.
Bourbon with the honey. This is like mixed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's no portion ratio.
Ooh. Double days. I'm sorry, y'all. I wasn't recording, but she had I just tried her fried tomato BLT. That was good. And I'm about to try these deviled eggs. You want to try these deviled eggs, girl? Oh, I gotta get a picture first. Oh, hey, Juan. She got his name right. can't shake their music. Like, I mean, I'm outside. We out not eating and still gotta listen to their music. Y'all. But the food was good. I have 0 complaints. Our waiter was bomb AF. Nessa tipped him real good. Probably a little bit more than I would have. So, you know, he was good. He got the right one to tip him. But he was good. He was good. He deserved it. And now we wait for valet to bring us our vehicle. Okay. Yeah, I see. He got his mask on. Let's see. I'm petty. Petty Betty. Thank you so much, sir.
Have a nice day.
You were amazing.
Thank you. You too. Do more. Bye-bye.
Bye. I got a tip for Alex. Stay out of dark alleys in Chicago. That's his tip. Y'all, why this man was trying to get in this car with no mask?
No, for real.
Right, and then, hold on. Then he gonna tell us he got his hands on
I'm trying to stay safe.
Right. He pull out hand sanitizer, sis. Hand sanitizer? Bruh, is that stopping you from breathing coronavirus? I said, please get your mask. Thank you for reminding me. No, you knew the whole time, bruh. Whew, okay, I'm back at the room. And Shanessa went smoking. But as for me, I'm about to make myself a little drinkish drink. I need a cocktail. I've been through a lot, you guys. Everything has went wrong. Like, I can tell you this. Miami put a bad taste in my mouth. And I'm gonna tell everybody, listen to reviews. When you read the reviews, pay attention. I've seen so much of these complaints in the reviews, but I'm like, you know, you can't please everybody. Some people this, that. No, baby. Pay attention to those reviews because they're telling you the truth. So here is our nighttime view, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me try to turn the lights off, see if that helps. That's a lot better. Y'all can really see the view that we have, which is not that much of anything. We got this little water, I'm guessing we're sitting on top of. That water is, it's kind of high to me. It is literally concerningly high. Scary to me, which is why I can't live in Florida. Definitely not, but we got some view of, I don't know what city. I don't know if this is like the downtown Miami. I don't know if that is the Strip. I don't know. I don't know. I honestly don't know. But yeah, so we're here. I'm about to make myself a little cocktail and we're about to get ready and go out to some bar. I haven't been out in I don't know how long. To like a bar or something like that. So that's what we're about to do. So yeah, let me go put myself a little cocktail together.
In the air that neither you or me could deny. Boy, I see how you stare up and down everywhere. I can tell you're far from shy. So let's talk till we drop or till we get kicked out. Let's just say what we want. Come on, spit it out.
I don't get to see my family. Hey, family. one with the patio. They me good.
So you had one with a patio?
Girl, not a balcony. It was a fucking patio. It's only on the second floor. We're sold out. What the fuck you mean? That's what I paid for. Cause I could have went somewhere else.
Yeah.
So
Our room
this was cheaper than y'all room.
Yeah, our room was
$1,000.
it's the location though. You literally walk
You
out
already
of the
know.
hotel, we at the beach.
Yeah, that's what it is.
But they said we like this little shit.
I'm like, but not only.
They always staying at that location.
Every-
You
yeah.
don't want to go off the side.
Not
They
even
don't wanna
only-
breathe no cars.
Not even only that it's little though, like I'm looking at the fixtures and it's just not up to my it's not up to my yeah.
But you know what? I'm telling y'all, what was the first thing we all need to do? Stop ignoring your reviews. Because the reviews here, they was complaining about paying for something and not getting what they paid for when they got here.
Oh.
I saw that. Still booked. They was saying that. Then they was talking about the extra charges. All
They
these
did
charges
say that.
shit. I'm seeing it, but you know, I'm like, you know, that's petty kind of.
Y'all got
Somebody
refrigerator, we ain't got no
complain.
refrigerator, we ain't got none of that shit.
Girl, we got a hot plate, refrigerator.
She did get us a little balcony though.
Microwave.
They fucking up.
Girl, they had a whole patio furniture and everything out there.
Damn.
Only
So
on the
what
second floor.
now? So what you gotta dispute this like?
I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do.
Oh, you want to ask them for
I don't like talking to small people. I'm calling the corporate office.
it?
Something's gonna be done. One, I'm in a room that I didn't pay for, and nobody changed the price. Two, you charged me twice, and somebody said that in the review.
How you gonna get your money
charged
back?
twice. I gotta prove that I paid for it.
You ain't got your receipts?
But they send you a confirmation to the email.
I'm gonna. I got the confirmation. You couldn't book without paying for it. You had to pay for it all in full.
No,
That's the only way to book. So I'm like, ma'am, how do I have a reservation number? How do I have a reservation?
Right.
I know what you're saying, but the system is showing that you didn't pay. Well, maybe you used Booking. Bitch, I didn't use Booking. I know what the fuck I used. I'm a
Right.
Marriott member. I know what I used. I went straight to your site, and you making me mad, trying to talk to me like I'm a dumb person or something.
Right.
Like, she was like, well, I'm sorry, it's showing in the system. Well, can you pull it up where you paid for it? So I went and I went through that because it's an app connected to the car. It only went back to March 20-something. The room was paid for February 28th. That's what my email say, February 28th. So I was like, that's okay, I'm gonna call the bank and I'm gonna get that. I want my fucking money back.
Yeah, that was dirty.
I was so mad. I was so heated. Y'all don't even know how mad. I couldn't even handle no more anger. I'm trying not to go the f off because I know me.
Right.
Because I had just had an issue at the airport. I get to the airport, same bullshit. I'm like, okay, Miami is turning me the fuck off at this point. Vegas might, I might be tired of Vegas, but hospitality is on point.
Right.
This
right.
bullshit here,
Right.
I hate when somebody try to play me. He looks to see what I have reserved. He's like, oh, okay. He said, you had the luxury car, right? I was like, yeah, what do you have? He's like, let me go check. He go outside to check to see what they got. And he come back, yeah, it's a BMW out there. You have the SUV, right? I was like, yeah. He said, okay, BMW SUV. I said, okay. He come back, he take my money and everything. Y'all, I'm telling you, from the time it takes to swipe your card, walk to outside, the man was like, I'm sorry, ma'am, we don't have that. Excuse me? I was like, excuse me? What do you mean? We don't have any luxury cars at all. I can't. I said, so what now? Because that's what I paid for. He's like, well, you can take anything out here. So I'm like, I got steam coming out my ears because this bitch just came out here. So somebody lying.
Right.
Somebody lying. And I told him that. I said, he just came out here literally not even 5 minutes ago. Like, I don't get what you're saying to me. He's like, well, he's like, no, ma'am, I don't have anything. The dude who took the money was Mexican. This was like an African dude. So he's like, you can take whatever you want, whatever you see out here, you can have. Girl, get to walking around and kill. All I could think about, bitch, I paid for a BMW.
Right.
And I'm finna ride out with a Kia.
Oh,
I need some money back. Something got to shake. He said, I can offer you a free tank of gas. I said, I can pay my own motherfucking gas.
exactly. Damn.
He was like, ma'am, I'm so sorry. We got so many luxury car rentals and we don't have the cars here.
Wow.
I just looked at him. He's like, well, I can get you, what about a Mustang? I said, do I look like a Mustang type of female? He was like, he said, ma'am, I'm sorry. He's like, whatever you want, anything, whatever you want. I said, dude, you got this a bunch of Kias. I will drive a Kia. I will get in this motherfucking Kia and be happy jolly if you get my money back and they can match the Kia.
Right. That's it.
He was like, I'm so sorry. He's like, what about this? I said, that shit too big. But I ended up taking it any damn way. I'm like, if I got to and this the only thing, give me this big ass because now you out of money because this was more than that. He's like, well, this one much bigger. I was like, that's the point. I'm not a man, I'm a female. I wanted a feminine vehicle.
Right.
He was like, I'm gonna take care of you. Gas, I got you. Okay, that's all I could do. I was like, corporate could do more, thank you. I was telling me, so I was already mad. Then to get here and they dealing with it. That's why I'm like, sis, I'm trying to get this room together. I'm gonna call you
I
back.
told her, I said, ooh, something happened. She sounded a little irritable.
Girl, them, ooh,
That didn't have no
and our
landing was nobody you can talk to. And our landing was ridiculous.
I even asked for the manager here. Oh, he's in the back. Go, can you get him, please? He go to the back. Oh, he's on the phone call. I'm gonna have, can you wait? I sure will. Sat on the couch 30 minutes. Nobody even found out. I was like, oh, y'all fucked with the wrong one.
Girls, ours was fine. Just that fucking landing.
Oh my God, it was the worst landing. Oh my God.
Was it?
It was so much
Girl, we was like,
Really?
it was clouds though. We was riding all
We was
clouds.
in clouds too.
I don't know what the fuck.
I don't know what kind of shit we was on, but that plane was, the ride was so smooth. I don't even ever remember a ride being that smooth. It was like smooth takeoff. You know how like your stomach dropped? None of that happened. It was coming down, stomach didn't drop. That ain't never happened to me either. Nothing. It was so smooth, no turbulence. And I'm like,
That was out of all the turbulence, that was the worst.
see, that's
Like everybody was sitting there crying.
everybody. Ooh.
I'm like, everybody looking around like.
I'm like, I know I
But Nikki said he did warn. I didn't hear it because I had on my AirPods.
Like, make sure your seatbelt on. It's cloudy. We're gonna have to while landing. I'm like, oh
Because
shit.
we was in those clouds, and then you gotta think of the time we came. It was a little windy.
Oh yeah, it was. It was.
It was a little windy, so them.
My ass was out here kicking it by myself. I'm riding through Fort Lauderdale, recording shit. I'm like, ooh, this cute. Ooh.
And man pants.
With girl, I went to somebody's restaurant. I don't even know where the fuck I was at, Joel's Cafe or something. I found the food was good. I'm sitting there editing the video.
We just left where y'all was when that food
That food was good. What y'all eat?
Oh, I got the firecracker shrimp. Oh my God.
Oh, I didn't even try that.
Oh my God. It was so good.
Really? What that?
It was a little like
I love spicy stuff like that because I don't eat spicy food.
Yeah.
But when it got that hint of spicy, it's getting more of the flavors out of the spiciness.
it was
We had
so
spinach dip.
Oh, I didn't see all that.
good.
It was good. They spinach dip was really good, but they had like the communion crackers.
It was my
They
community.
Girl, not the kind of metal on your tongue.
like big crackers. You gotta like white crackers. You gotta chip it. You gotta say this.
I'm like, the big ass, they was big.
It was good though. It was good. I had to jump a liar. That was good.
We had steak bowls, but I said mine's back.
Steak bowl?
Yeah, it was too spicy.
What was on the steak bowl?
It was like veggies, rice, and what's the name of that other rice with the
quinine?
No.
Yeah.
I forgot.
What else y'all had?
Dang.
And then we had a brownie.
Damn! I ain't seen none of this stuff.
We too. That's
Our bill was like $133.
Y'all was some eating asses.
I was hungry.
Our bill was 90, so we had the deviled eggs. That shit was good.
I didn't
Janessa
see
didn't
that.
like it. The deviled eggs had. I was like, where did they get this extra filling from? Them motherfuckers look like McDonald's ice cream cones. I make deviled eggs.
They plating is
Where
really
y'all get
good.
this extra filling from?
They plating is really
It was, we had the deviled eggs, and
I
then
didn't see
Janessa got the fried green tomato BLT. That shit was the bomb. I don't like fried green tomato, but the breading on this, I don't know what they did, how they did it. Some kind of stuff was on that little supposed to be lettuce. Ooh, it was real good. And then we got the chicken and waffles.
We didn't see that. What is maybe we had a dinner. It had to be.
Yeah.
They said
dinner. He said he wanted the dinner or the lunch, so we probably had some lunch.
we probably had the dinner menu or something. Cause we didn't see those.
You made it.
Where y'all went? So where you went? What is
Y'all
that?
sure? Yard bird.
They just had the yard.
You say y'all asses was somewhere else.
It was the yard.
They just say the yard, right?
No, it was yard. It was the yard bird one.
No, bitch, we went to
Girl,
yard.
they went somewhere.
Oh, we went. That food was good. I went to yard house. Literally right around the corner. Right around the corner. They actually a block away from each other.
Girl, get out of here. That's why I'm telling y'all. No wonder I took y'all so long to walk. Cause I'm like, they still it's right there.
We was waiting on Sherelle Uber.
Oh yeah,
It's literally right down the street.
But y'all bird and y'all house is actually a block away.
I'm wondering. I'm sitting there, I ain't seen that.
We went to yard house. It's all elegant.
That's
and
what
yeah.
They
yard house.
Right.
Yeah.
We sitting here talking about two different restaurants.
We had talking about we didn't like chicken and waffles. We didn't see that. Yard bird.
It's yard bird.
Oh,
it was the food was good though. The chicken they had for the waffles. What was it? Bourbon
maple syrup. That shit was so good.
He was like, don't
Don't take too
eat
much.
too
You're
much.
gonna be
You're gonna be tipsy. They put bourbon in it, and you can taste it.
Yeah, they roll much nicer.
Then they had the.
Our view is nice. The hotel itself.
I'm like, I can't even go up. You gotta pay for parking over there.
Oh yeah. Y'all have to pay for parking here.
$40 a day, $50 for a big SUV.
Damn.
But you know me and Janessa, especially Nessa the Vanessa. This bitch, she like, we dilated at the restaurant we went to. She was like, well, how much is it for 3 days? He's like, no, I can't do 3 days. And then he was like, what did you say to him to make him say, okay, $25.
Yeah, they take Kingsride Ln. I just talked to me.
I said, we'll be back. We already paid for this day. We'll be back. You won't hold it. He was like, yeah, I do for you. Okay. We'll be back. $25. Shit, that's a big difference.
Go for your mouth.
Okay. And now I don't even think. If it weren't for her,
All they can do is say no.
I'm telling you.
Yeah, because we was looking at them Ubers and stuff from the airport.
I was like, no.
And then he was like, you want right? We like, how much? We got real time about, ooh, they gonna kidnap us.
I know. I'd have been like, Sherelle, who got the taser? Something.
I'm like, girl, we too old for them. They like young women, they sex trafficking. They gonna be like, this thing's old. We gonna drop them back off. Yeah. We old. Shit.
No, they would have been
Talking your shit.
That don't crack. I want her.
They might, the only one they might keep is Shaquilla. Especially me, they gonna be like, oh, this bitch is too old. The customers complaining about it. We can't even sell her. Like, get out of here. Oh, shit.
I feel like they need to amp up their service here. Their hospitality sucks. And y'all more expensive than anywhere else I've ever been.
So why is it short? And I forgot somebody told me, was that you? Ain't no fountain drinks.
What?
No. They come out with the whole motherfucking old school Coca-Cola bottle. Coca-Cola bottle.
Well,
The glass bottle.
oh,
No, did y'all have fountain drinks?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. What? Yeah. Let me.
Diet Coke. Aunt Camille Sherelle had a ginger ale. He put them in the
Oh,
cup.
yeah, he did.
She came out with the bottle. Y'all remember the bottle with the little
Yeah.
top? Pour it in the cup. I bullshit you not.
And if y'all look at our receipts, a lot of that gratuity be on there.
Yep.
We still tip.
Yep.
I forgot to tell y'all that.
$8 for the bottle. The little
If you look at the bottom, it's gonna tell you the taxes and it's gonna say gratuity.
You know what? I did see that on there, and they already tipped him $28. He was a good server we had, but I was like, bitch. he wasn't that him.
They had like
Now I'm a good tipper, but like, God,
They had like the was at the hotel. We got a restaurant there. I wanted quesadillas. It was fab. It was $10, but because I wanted to add steak, it was a plus 10. So I paid $20 for quesadillas.
They're making me kill me. I'm telling you. And the service sucks. I'm sorry, I just haven't got any.
When I served at the Yard House, he was really good.
Okay, you know, $20.
Yeah, our server was good. He was really good. He even, before we even got the tip, he was like, since you like the bottle, you want to go? You want to take some to go? So I was like, can I keep the bottle? This is old school. He was like, yeah, you're doing us a favor. We don't recycle. I'm like, that's actually bad to know. Cause,
Right.
they
we was
recycle
all-
water bottles. So
We was all dressed. We got to that restaurant. I'm like, y'all.
I'm like, they old ass, everybody jet lag, even her, she tired too. I said, you the main one told me I couldn't go to sleep, so I was napping my ass off
Right.
last night, clean up until today, so I could be prepared, so I'm not the old lady, and y'all ass is tired.
I'm the old lady. I'm
They
sleepy.
tired, I ain't tired. Girl, for me, I'm wired. I just said I work all night. I got plenty to do.
That's what I'm trying to do. Work from home. My job. My own shit.
I know that's right. Best check ever, girl. Be the one
I
thing.
swear to God, my boss be sending me shit. I'm like, bitch, you send me what? I don't even respond. I be like, don't stop. That shit starting to irritate me. Can you follow up? Why you can't follow up, bitch? That's how I feel.
Right, what do she do?
She the manager. Nothing. She managed me. And I'm tired of it. She cool as hell, but that shit be here. I just don't like being told what to do.
Y'all, they got you working from home?
Yeah. Yeah. I still want to get out when I want to, though. I still got to wake my ass up.
Yeah, same time. Yeah.
I just save an hour for
Rita, what is that?
I feel like it makes you more flexible. My damn camera about to lose its
Girl,
camera.
look what I've been walking around with. I got this off Amazon.
Want me to put you on camera, Shaquita? Hey, Shaquita! Hey, girl!
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something